If you've ever missed the perfect shot because your hands weren't steady, your tripod slipped, or your gimbal lagged, you're not alone. But 2025 has finally delivered the smoothest, most intelligent stabilization gear we've ever seen. And trust me, the #1 pick on this list might completely change the way you shoot forever. Let's dive into the top 5 tripods and gimbals 2025, where stability meets next-level innovation. Number 5, Joby GorillaPod 5K Pro 2025 Edition. Performance. The 2025 GorillaPod 5K Pro offers powerful load capacity and exceptional flexibility for creators who shoot in unpredictable environments. Whether you're wrapping it around a railing or leveling it on uneven rocks, its stability is remarkably reliable during vlogging, time-lapse, and lightweight DSLR work. Technology and features. This updated model includes improved joint locking strength, enhanced rubber grips, and compatibility with Joby's new quick-release ecosystem. It also features integrated mounting points for microphones, lights, and accessory arms, perfect for run-and-gun creators. Design and build. The signature bendable legs now use reinforced aluminum cores with high-grip rubber rings, giving it a more premium feel. The ball head offers smooth adjustments and secure locking. Weight and portability. Ultralight and backpack-friendly, perfect for travelers and vloggers. Pros. Stronger joints than previous versions, great accessory mounting options, versatile for smartphones, action cams, and DSLRs. Cons. Not ideal for heavy cinema cameras, can attract dust in outdoor conditions. Best for travel vloggers, adventure shooters, and creators who need maximum flexibility. Price and value. Priced moderately for its category, it offers exceptional versatility and value for creators who shoot on the go. Final verdict, a flexible, reliable, all-terrain mini tripod perfect for travel creators. Number 4, DJI Osmo Mobile 8 2025. Performance. DJI has once again delivered industry-leading smartphone stabilization. The Osmo Mobile 8 offers buttery smooth footage, faster startup, and improved AI tracking that locks on to subjects with precision, even in crowds. Technology and features. New horizon leveling, upgraded 4th-gen active track, gesture controls, and Bluetooth 6 connectivity make it a powerhouse. It also supports dynamic zoom, cinematic modes, and automated vlogging templates. Design and build. A lighter, slimmer, foldable body with stronger motors and a redesigned phone clamp for better balance. Weight and portability. Super packable, fits easily in compact camera bags. Battery life. Up to 10 hours on a single charge, great for day-long shoots. Compatibility. Works with all major smartphones and integrates seamlessly with Lightcut, DJI Mimo, and iOS and Android camera apps. Pros. Best smartphone stabilization in its class. Lightweight and ergonomic. Excellent AI tracking. Cons. Phone mounting still takes practice. Apps can feel overwhelming for beginners. Best for mobile filmmakers, vloggers, and travel content creators. Price and value. A mid-range gimbal with premium features, easily one of the best values in the market. Final verdict, a must-have if you create video content with your smartphone. Number 3, Zhiyun Weebill 5 2025. Performance. The Zhiyun Weebill 5 delivers stunning stabilization for mirrorless and compact cinema cameras. Its upgraded motors offer 30% more torque, making it incredibly responsive during fast pans and high-intensity movements. Technology and features. AI-assisted tracking, wireless video transmission, Smart Follow 3.0, and a built-in 1.9-inch touchscreen allow creators to frame, track, and control their shots without external monitors. Design and build. Its ergonomic sling design remains compact, but now includes a reinforced hand grip and improved weight distribution. Weight and portability. Surprisingly portable for a professional-grade gimbal. Battery life. Up to 18 hours, one of the longest run times in its class. Compatibility. Works with most mirrorless brands, including Sony, Canon, Fuji, and Nikon. Pros. Long battery life, premium controls and screen, excellent for run-and-gun filmmakers. Cons: slight learning curve, heavier than smartphone gimbals. Best for mirrorless shooters who need a compact yet powerful gimbal. Price and value: a premium-priced gimbal, but absolutely worth it for its advanced capabilities. Final verdict: perfect for hybrid shooters needing professional cinematic stability. Number 2. Manfrotto Element Pro Carbon Tripod, 2025. Performance: a favorite among photographers, the Manfrotto Element Pro Carbon delivers high-performance stability for both photography and video. Its carbon legs dampen vibrations and keep shots razor-sharp even in windy conditions. Technology and features: quick leg lock technology, reversible center column, and compatibility with Manfrotto's new 2025 fluid head system make it incredibly versatile for hybrid shooters. Design and build: premium carbon fiber tubes, excellent lever locks, and a minimalist yet rugged design built for professional use. Weight and portability: extremely lightweight thanks to its carbon construction. Durability: weather-resistant and built for long-term outdoor use. Pros: lightweight carbon build, versatile shooting angles, ideal for both photos and videos. Cons: fluid head sold separately, not the cheapest option. Best for photographers, hybrid creators, and travelers who need lightweight precision. Price and value: premium pricing but offers exceptional long-term value for serious creators. Final verdict: one of the best high-performance tripods 2025 has to offer. Number 1. DJI RS4 Pro, 2025. Performance: an absolute beast. The DJI RS4 Pro offers industry-leading stabilization with 5th-gen motors, 20% more torque, and unmatched responsiveness. Whether you're shooting weddings, films, commercials, or YouTube, the RS4 Pro handles everything effortlessly. Technology and features: it comes packed with advanced LiDAR autofocus, 2.4G plus 5.8G dual-band image transmission, auto-tune balancing, active horizon lock, and full touchscreen control. This is next-level cinema-grade technology. Design and build: a refined magnesium alloy frame, improved grip texture, and balanced modular design make it durable, premium, and comfortable for long shoots. Weight and portability: relatively lightweight for the power it delivers. Battery life: up to 29 hours with the high-capacity battery grip. Compatibility: works with most cinema and mirrorless camera systems. Pros: unmatched stabilization, LiDAR-assisted autofocus, exceptional battery life. Cons: premium price, overkill for beginners. Best for professional filmmakers and creators producing high-end digital content. Price and value: expensive but delivers the best performance in the entire Tripods and Gimbals 2025 category. And that wraps up our top 5 Tripods and Gimbals 2025 list. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and share your thoughts below. Which tripod or gimbal would you choose for your setup? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your workflow. And if you want more gear recommendations, check out the playlist linked right here. Happy shooting!